Okay, so now I think it should be pretty clear to everybody what the difference is between behavior therapy and occupational therapy. What is the difference between occupational therapy and physical therapy?
So guess what? In pediatrics, there's a lot of overlap.
Okay.
That's kind of the theme here. So when you have a really well-formed team to help your child, everybody is integrating everything together all the time. Occupational therapy works a lot on the fine motor skills, as we talked about, and the visual motor skills, because if you can't process what you're seeing, you can't perform higher level tasks like writing. Physical therapists work on how the body works, core strength, balance, controlled movements, fluidity of movements. They will see children who are toe walkers to try to train their body to walk with their heels down so they don't have long-term problems from toe walking in childhood.
Can we use that as an example?
Yeah.
So, toe walking, somewhat, I guess we would say it's not uncommon. So, if you have a toe walker, what are you doing and what is the PT doing?
Yeah, good question. An occupational therapist would look at this child's sensory system. A child with tactile defensiveness is somebody who feels things touching their body in a heightened way. So the occupational therapist may work on activities to desensitize the tactile system so that the child's foot can come in full contact with the ground, whether that's on carpet, hardwood, grass, and it not be problematic for the child. It wouldn't be a noxious type of input. The physical therapist would look at the muscle tone, the flexibility of the joints, and possibly recommend orthotics to help hold the ankle in a more functional position to avoid long-term damage to the Achilles tendon and joints and muscles.
Makes total sense. So they're working more on the muscle and the joint, and you're working on this sensory input. Maybe it just feels really uncomfortable. So how do we make it not feel uncomfortable when the heel touches the floor?
Right.
Perfect.